How to make things disappear in pictures on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Photos application on your phone. Once inside, select a photo you wish to edit. With the photo open, tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen to access the editing tools. In the editing menu, navigate to the Tools tab to find more advanced features. From the list of tools, select Magic Eraser. Simply draw or brush over the object or person you want to remove. This will automatically analyze the area and fill in the background, making the object disappear. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap on the Save button in the bottom right corner. Finally, tap on Save to apply the changes to your photo. Following these steps, you can easily make things disappear in pictures on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.